Alright guys, so just got a new microphone to help with the wind noise and just the audio itself. So this video was pretty chopped up, so I'm just gonna narrate through the video to connect all the missing parts. Yeah, enjoy the vlog. Oh, and make sure to watch till the end, because that's where the most exciting part happens. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, Gavin's here right now, and we're gonna tramp session a little bit. I don't know, I might try double kabooms, and if I do, make sure to leave a like for that and subscribe. Always subscribe. Yeah. So now it's the next day, and we went to the mall, and that's all you guys need to know.
Oh my god.
What in the
It's a
world?
Subaru.
Yeah, it's a Subaru. That's huge. Look at the mufflers.
That's a lot of carbon monoxide.
There you go, parkour.
Ow!
Ah, hot. Round off, backflip, or just whatever you can do. Go, go, go.
Oh no. No.
Backflip now. Finish it.
But if you don't like, ow.
I know they hurt.
Here we go.
We're doing really high backflip challenge. Go.
Okay, go. You got really high on that one.
What's happening now, guys, is we're playing hide and seek tag in Bass Pro. This should be fun. Oh, where can they be? Are they down there? Oh, Gavin. I saw them. I don't know if you can see them over there. They're by those canoes over there. Alright, Gavin's turn. I picked Gavin. It feels really weird to vlog in public and stuff, but just gotta get better at it. Everybody stares at you. Like, who is this idiot talking to a camera? Oh well. YouTuber problems.
Alright guys, I'm filming on my iPhone. We're playing hide and seek in Bass Pro Shops, which, if you don't know, is a huge shop. I can't look at the screen, okay? Look at the lens. Look at the lens. Okay, this is a huge store, by the way. So, yeah, it's been recording for 20 seconds. I think I'm counting to 30. I'm just going to record until it says 60. And so, I'll see you guys in 60. Okay, guys. We're ready. I don't know where they are. They might just be following me around. Maybe that's the case. Watch, I'm gonna juke them right here. Nah, never mind. Okay. So they're somewhere. We're gonna find them, right? Trust me, we're gonna find them. Where could they be? I heard a noise over here. Oh gosh, guys, I think they're over here. I'm trying not to make it obvious. Oh. They just dropped all those cups. That was kind of odd. I mean, I was walking past. All right, so this is the way to do it. Oh crap, I see them. I see them, guys. They're on the other side of the store. As you guys can see, he's right there.
There he is, my friend. Gotta go.
I gotta go get him now.
Alright. We're going back here because I thought this was a pretty good idea. I know, but look at this would be perfect. Slide in right here. Alright, well, let's go over here and see what... Oh, I know where a perfect spot is. But it's probably too late, so we have to stay on this side.
Guys, here we go. I got Evan, but I saw Samuel first. I saw him across the store.
No. I know, but you saw me first.
No,
Guys, we're leaving right now, but first we have to go... No. We're going down the elevator, and let's get some good cinematic shots.
He's shooting his cinematics in the elevator. Right? Photo bomb. Right there. Gnarly.
Alright, so right now, Gavin left his fidget spinner in the tent. We're going to go get it, but apparently someone took it. So we're going to go chase them down right now. In for the kill. Gavin, that kid in the white shirt, the kid had it. Wait, so this kid's just following. They took Gavin's fidget spinner. I'm not joking.
Let me record me. I'm really bad.
Look at, there's a kid behind me right here. Where is he? Right here, right here. Okay, so what are we gonna do? He has
a worker? He's selling employees. But how are we supposed to say like he's lying? How do we? I had a little fidget toy, and I put it down in a tent for a second, and I forgot about it. And then we asked an employee, and they said that a man in a blue shirt and kind of long hair took it.
No, so but he gave it to his friend. So we see him walking around with it, but he won't give it back.
Yeah,
like he says
we kind
he
of like confronted him, and he didn't.
Go to the service desk.
Okay,
all right.
Thank you.
Kid in the white shirt right there took his fidget spinner.
Come on, that's so annoying.
You're gonna get one new one anyway, right?
Yeah, I mean, I can buy one, but
This was no stage. If yeah. He's literally holding it in his hand right now. If you're watching this, you're probably not. Come on, man. Seriously. Gavin's not getting his fidget spinner back. At least we'll find out what happens. Right? Right. And in all that footage there, he really did take it. He really did. I saw him playing with it. The employees saw him playing with it. And it's okay. He probably needed it more than Gavin. He probably had really bad ADD and he couldn't help himself. Those fidget spinners really help. And it's okay. Gavin's gonna order a new one, an even better one. And yeah, that's the story. Make sure you subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.